wonderful people, good day and welcome to Mr. B's channel where math is always fun. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to multiply and divide algebraic terms. If today is the first time you've been on my channel, please click on the subscribe icon here. Also hit on the notification bell to receive all the videos I'll be sharing with you. Relax and enjoy. Okay, so now if you are given any terms in algebra to multiply, all you have to do is to identify your coefficients. You multiply them. You identify your variables. You again multiply them. For example, if we have 2a multiplied by 4b, remember these are two different terms we have in algebra. We are multiplying them. Now, what are the coefficients in the two terms? In the first case, the coefficient is a 2. In the second case, the coefficient is a 4. Therefore, our answer is going to be the multiplication of the coefficients, 2 times 4, which will then be 8. Then we come to our variables. And in our variables, we have a times b. And a times b is ab. We just put the letters together. So our final answer is 8ab. Get it? Got it? Good. In our second example, if we have 12bc into bracket 5d. Remember, we have already said in the previous video that multiplication means what? In bracket means what? Multiplication. Therefore, the bracket we have here simply means we are multiplying what is inside the bracket by all the terms outside the bracket. So the same way, let us deal with our coefficient. So this is 12 times 5. And 12 times 5 will give us a 60. Then our letters b times c times d will be put together as b, c, and d. So our answer is 60 b, c, d. All you have to do is to take your coefficients, multiply them, get your number, answer, then take your variables, the letters, multiply them, also get your answer. Put them together, that's your answer, 60 b, c, d. I believe we got it. Great. Our third example, if we have 3m cubed, that is raised to the power of 3, multiplied by 6m squared. In this case, we apply the same knowledge we know. We have 3 and we have 6 as our coefficients. When you multiply 3 by 6, what do you get? 18. Now let us go to our variables. We have m cubed, we have m squared. The concept of exponents should help you solve this. M cubed here means what? M times m times m. We are multiplying m how many times? 3 times, according to the number of the exponent. In the second case, how many times will we multiply the m? 2 times, because the power of the exponent is 2. So we continue, times m times another m. So in all, how many m are we multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our answer should be written as 18m raised to the power of what? 5. Raised to the power of 5. Because we have 3 of m here, we have 2 of m being multiplied there. In total, we should have 5 of m being multiplied. So our answer is 18m raised to the power of 5. Remember, it is not the same as 18m5 like this. That should be wrong. If you write it like that, you are going to get it wrong. Should be 18m raised to the power of 5 as we have here. Get it? Got it? Great. Again, let us look at an example of the division. If we have 21p raised to the power of 4 divided by 7p squared, we apply the same method we know as in multiplication. 21, it's being divided by a 7. And we know 7 goes into 21 3 times. So you have that answer there. Let us go to our p's. How many p's do we have here? 4. So that should give us p times p times p times p 4 times. In the second case, how many p's do we have there? 2. Remember, it is division. And in division, we can write it as over. So we can change the division to the over sign, and the p squared here expanded as p times a p. So I will advise that whenever you're doing division, make sure you use the over sign because that is easier to work out with. Now, if we are to cancel out this p on top and that p down, they divide. Remember, it is division. This second p and that p also divides. So we have no p left down here. We are left with the p, we are finished with the p's down there. Therefore, our answer should be 3, which is here. And how many p's are left on top? 2 of them. So p squared, like this. So our answer is 3p squared. Get it? Got it? Great. Another division example. We have 40a cubed b, all divided by 8ab squared. Remember, in the previous example, I said that we can change division to over sign, but they are the same. So this division, divide 40 by 8. 8 people sharing 40 rand. Each person is going to get what? 5 rand. So we have a 5. Then we divide our a's. Remember, a cubed means what? A times another a. And we are dividing this by only a single a. So it's a cubed over a. The a cancels the a, and you are left with 2 of the a's on top. So you're going to have a squared here because you were left with 2 of the a's. A times a squared. Let us look at the b's. We are going to have b over, let me change the color. We are going to have b on top over the denominator is b squared, which is b times b. So what happens here? The b on top cancels one of the b down here. So we are still left with a b. But which side are we left with a b? Is it on top or down? We can see it is left down. Therefore, we write this all over a b. So our answer is the whole of this, 5a squared all over b down here, because when we divided this b by b squared, we are still left with a b down here. Get it? Got it? Great. Now I want you to try the following examples. When you're done, pause the video, work them out, then come back and check on the revision. Great. Thank you, wonderful people, for watching the video with me today. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. Like the video and share with as many people as you can. Have a nice day.